In these next few videos, we will move from probability to statistics. First, we'll look at measures of central tendency. The mean is the average. You calculate it by adding up all of the data points and then dividing that sum by the number of data points. The median is the middle number when the numbers are written from smallest to largest. That would be if there were an odd number of data points. If there were an even number of data points, you won't have a middle number. You'll have two numbers in the middle, and you'll find their average. The mode is the number that occurs the most often. And the range is a measure of how spread out the data is. To find it, you take the largest data value and subtract the smallest data value. Here's an example. We have a list of numbers. We're going to find the mean, median, mode, and range. First, we'll need to rewrite this list in order from smallest to largest. So I'll look through the numbers and scan. Looks like my smallest number is a 38. And next I have a 45. And two 57s. 58, 59, 60, 63, 64, 66, 67, 70, 2 72s. Nope, actually there's a third 72. 74 and two 75s. So now I've rewritten my list of numbers. I'm going to take all of these numbers and add them up in my calculator. So I'm going to do 38 plus 45 plus 57 plus 57 all the way up to 75 plus 75. When I do that, I get 1,144. And if I count up the numbers on the list, there are 18 of them. So the mean works out to 63.5 repeating. The median since there's an even number of numbers on this list, that means there's going to be two numbers in the middle. If I count from the outside to the inside until I reach the middle, I'm going to find that there are two numbers in the middle, the 64 and the 66. So to find the median, I find the average between those two numbers, which is 65. The mode, there were three 72s, and that was the number that appeared most often. And the range is the largest data value minus the smallest data value. So the range is 37.